Hey everyone, the first thing you want to do to make the glass song artwork is go to Etsy and find this music player button. I will leave the link in the description bar below. And then you will go to Cricut Design Space and upload the file. I am typing out the song, the title of the song, as well as the artist's name. Your next step will be to go to the Spotify website and click Launch Web Player. Then you will search for your song at the top in the search bar, and after you have your song selected, you will hover over it and click the three dots on the right hand side. Once the three dots appear, you will click Copy Song Link. After the song link is copied, you will go and type spotifycodes.com and it will bring you to this website, the Spotify website, and allow you to place the URL in this box right here and click Get Spotify Code. Once this pulls up, you will go over to the right hand side, change the format to SVG, and then download. After you have downloaded this image, you will follow the same steps and upload it into Cricut Design Space. After your music code has been uploaded, you will want to delete the black box that is behind it, and then you will go up to the top and click Ungroup, and then you can choose to keep the Spotify logo, but I took it off. I deleted it, and once it's deleted, I will highlight the entire code by dragging and selecting the entire image, and then I will go down to the bottom and click Weld. This step is to ensure that your code cuts together and it doesn't move the shape when you go to make it. The next step is to drag and select your entire music code and to be sure to weld it. Next, you want to go up to the right hand corner and click Make It. And for the image, you will click Send to Printer. And once your image has printed, you will just cut your words out. For this project, you will need a frame. I found this one at Walmart. You will need some clear laminate paper. This can also be found at Walmart. And I'm using the sticker paper for my image, and I bought this on Amazon. I will leave a link down below for all of the supplies that I used in this video. You can also choose to use printable vinyl, and if you do use printable vinyl, then the laminate paper and sticker paper aren't necessary. So now I'm just going to peel the clear part off of the backing of the laminate paper and apply it to my image. And that is it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this short tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and most definitely subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye.